Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here again today. Welcome to my evening pour. I don't usually paint at night or in the evening after supper time. I usually am a very early morning painter. I'm usually up about 6 or 7 o'clock on my days off. And I am up here in the studio mixing paint and painting and making videos and editing, do all of that early in the morning. But tonight, I was a little bit tired. We've had some busy days here, and I thought it's way too early to go to bed. And I had a busy morning, and I had mixed up a bunch of paint, but then wasn't able to paint in time. So I thought, I'm going to come upstairs, and I'm going to paint with the paints that I mixed this morning. So let's get painting. So here is the new cake decorator that I am using today. I just got a brand new set, and it includes one with very, very wide teeth, which I was very excited about. So I will have all of my paint colors listed below in the description. Some of them are a little bit of a mix, but I do have a list this time, which is great. So that will be down in the description. I'm really excited about this piece. I had a lot of fun creating, and it turned out really, really pretty. I have also been playing around with how I do my base coat. So in this piece, I actually tilt it all out so that the entire canvas is covered. I do have a piece coming up where I lay down a large puddle and put my colors down and then use my cake decorator and then stretch it out even more so that there's more movement. I do stretch this piece out. It doesn't get a whole lot of movement, but I really, really love the final result. So stay tuned, because I think this might be my favorite piece. I think I say that with almost all of my videos, but I love this piece. I'm not even sure I'm going to list it on my website for sale. However, if you really enjoy this piece and would like to purchase it, let me know, and maybe I will part with it. That's how much I love it. So in this piece, I decided to do just a straight corner to corner line of each of the colors of the paint, kind of like a Dutch pour setup. Of course, the paints are a little bit thicker. And in the next piece that I do puddles, little puddles of colors. So I've been playing around a lot and really, really enjoying this new creative process. And I encourage you to try different things. If you feel like you're in a little bit of a slump, try something different. Watch some videos, watch some of your favorite artists, go back and watch some of their older videos, and just, you know what, get some ideas and just allow yourself to let the creative juices flow. I love Rose M Creations. She is definitely the queen of the Catalyst wedge. I had such a hard time trying to find one that I liked. And you know what? I changed up the technique a little bit by using a cake decorator. So if you like what you're watching, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Like I said, I have a few more of these cake decorating technique pieces that are different. Each one is so different. And I'm really loving how creative I can be. So now that I have stretched out this piece, I have come back in and I'm just adding in some lines just to sort of bring all of the areas of the piece together, as well as there was a couple of spots that were just a little bit muddy from getting stretched out that I wasn't happy with. So I just put my cake decorator through and they look absolutely fabulous. I'm just letting my intuition take over, and I really love using my cake decorator because, like this spot right there, you don't have to run it off the edge of the canvas. You can literally lift it off wherever you want. This has been so much fun to create. So let's do a close-up. I would love to hear down in the comments which part is your favorite. Is there a color that you prefer? Maybe I could try some different color combinations. Let me know down in the comments. I would love to try some different color combinations. There's so many parts of this piece that are fabulous in my mind. I love how the champagne's gold pops through. Just some beautiful cells in this piece. And I love ocean colors, so anything with blue and green is definitely my favorite. Oh, I love those spots where I crossed over. So thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!